It is no secret that marketing experts encourage brands to use more and more videos these days. This is because video is the most engaging type of content out there and it gets results fast. But if you're looking to include video in your marketing strategy, you're probably wondering how to get started and what type of video to use in your marketing funnel. Hey, I'm Ina from Kashu, and today we'll talk about the 3 tiers of video content, where to use them, and what to avoid so you can enhance your video strategy. In this video, we'll talk about the 3 tiers of video that you can use: the top, middle, and low. Before you pick the best video content tier, think about your budget, your deadline, the goal of your video. Answering these questions is essential so you can make the right decision. Let's start with top tier. Top tier videos are videos of the highest quality. They're typically used for TV commercials, explainer videos on websites, or social media ads. These videos are very well produced and therefore they are more expensive. Typically, companies need fewer top tier videos. The goal of these videos is to create a great first impression. And since they take more time to produce, they're meant to last. If you want the viewers to be impressed by your brand and show it as a credible and professional company, it is best to use the top tier videos. Creating the top tier videos starts with a strategy where the video agency and the client exchange ideas, research, and come up with the best style, format, and ideas for the video. The process is long and extensive. The bottom line here is this: if you're looking to produce a video that lasts, makes a great first impression, you have a reasonable budget and time to invest in it, the top tier videos are the best option. When you create a top tier video, think about how to repurpose it. You can create different short segments for social media or use them in your email newsletter. We'd recommend you put them on your website too. Discuss that with the video agency before you even start working on your video so that they can advise you on the best option. The top tier videos show your product or service in the best light. But if you wish to create a more personal video content, see the middle tier videos. Middle tier videos are often used for tutorials, product demos, social media content, or other type of video that doesn't require a considerable budget or very high technical skills. While the goal of the top tier videos is to make a great first impression and move clients down the funnel, the middle tier videos are great for building relationships. For example, creating a short tutorial on how your product works, creating a helpful video to include in your newsletter, or simply an animated carousel on Instagram to keep your audience engaged. They're much cheaper and you can produce multiple videos simultaneously. The key here is to be consistent. You already know that videos are way more engaging than static images, so you can expect higher engagement rates on your videos. And the middle tier videos are perfect for that since they take way less time to create and are much cheaper. The process of creating middle tier videos takes less time too, and although you definitely need a video strategy, you don't need to spend months searching for the perfect tone and style. And this is not the case with the top tier videos. The middle tier video content is perfect for social media, newsletters, and blogs. You can use the power of video content to engage and educate your audience. The low tier videos are perfect for building relationships with your prospects and existing clients. These are low budget videos that you can create and shoot even with your phone. They can be reels, posts, or newsletters. These days, the engagement on Reels on Instagram is so high that more and more people use this type of video content in their marketing strategy. They are perfect for nurturing leads too. A great way to use these videos is to create behind-the-scenes videos and post them on social media. That would increase your engagement rate and will drive more followers your way. Again, if you're looking to grow with video, post at least 1 or 2 low-tier videos a week to get the best results. So if you're looking to add videos to your social media strategy or include more videos in your newsletters, the low tier videos are perfect. Use all 3 tiers to create a consistent and extensive video marketing strategy. Combine the types of videos so you can encompass the full marketing funnel and help people become your loyal clients with the power of video. And if you're not sure how to create your video marketing funnel, you can download our free ebook. The link will be in the description below. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, leave us a comment below and like this video. Thank you very much for your time and see you next week.